Jenkins Nissan, where the deals are real. We offer bottom line pricing on over 700 new vehicles. Cruise in and find the perfect one for you.
The Titan of trucks is bigger, bolder, and better than ever. With more power, a 7-speed transmission, and enhanced braking, the Nissan Titan is ready to take on your day. Choose from 5 trim levels: S, SV, Pro 4X, SL, and Platinum Reserve. Standard, crew, or king cab, 2 or 4-wheel drive, short, medium, or long bed, and every combination comes with the epic strength of Titan's 5.6-liter Endurance V8. Underneath, the Titan is built on a fully boxed, full-length frame. Available lockable and removable Titan boxes add in-bed storage security. They're accessible from inside the bed, even with a topper. And you know you'll need the available flush mount LED bed lighting sometime. Add an interior that makes luxury sedans jealous, and the protection of America's best truck warranty. Your Titan is ready for just about anything. Choose from a variety of colors, including 2 new exterior paint colors, options, and genuine Nissan accessories, and build a Titan that's all yours. The Nissan Titan, ready for whatever your day serves up.
Rest assured you will receive fast, friendly, direct, and honest pricing at Jenkins Nissan. You can contact our internet team at 888-706-2134 or visit us in person at 4401 State Road 33 North in Lakeland, Florida.